Hey Caps, Johan here. Now I promised you a tutorial on how to use the website that we've built you, so this will be a quick tutorial, and a few of the things I'm going to cover are your homepage, the slider, the homepage highlights, so how to change those things. I'll show you how to add some extra pages if you so need to, adding some images, adding video as the website grows, and how to change the menu system. I'll also cover the aesthetics of the site, which are the general settings, the styling options, which includes all your colors, so you can change the colors at your will, the typography, so you can change the fonts and everything, the homepage settings, slider options. When you do decide to get a blog, the blog is already set up in there, so we'll go over that. All of your social network links, which includes Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, your footer, how to change the address, phone numbers if you ever need to, and the contact form, which is on the Contact Us page. So let's go over that. Okay, so when you log in, your current password is Johan, Johann. Password is Johan 2012. This is your dashboard, so this is your main control panel. So the first thing we want to cover is your home page. So let's look at the home page. On the home page we have this area, which is a square box with the rotating images. So this is referred to as your slider. So to change anything on your slider, you go down here on the left hand side, and just on the slider option, click slider. Now you have 3 sliders in there currently, so let's open those 3 up. Basically, all we've done is add an image, so it's a featured image. So here's the first one, here's the second one, and here's the third one. Let's close those. If you wanted to add a new slider, you simply click the Add New button, and then you just set a featured image, and that'll add a new image up here. So that's the slider. Now let me talk to you about the homepage highlights. What the homepage highlights are, it's these 3 images here and the little descriptions at the bottom. So if you want to change those, we go to HP Highlights. So click on that, and we've got 3 things there: physiotherapy, clinical, Pilates, and remedial massage. So there's a physiotherapy, there's a clinical Pilates, and there's a remedial massage. Let's open those 3 up. And as you see, it's got a little description. Finding the underlying causes of your pain is of utmost concern to our physiotherapists, which is right there. So if you want to add a bit more information, you can. There's the image on the right hand side. That's all you need. So that's the physiotherapy. The same thing for the Pilates, the image on the right hand side and the description in the box. And the same thing for remedial massage, the image on the right and the description in the box there. Now, let's go back to the dashboard. What this tells me is that you currently have 12 pages. So that includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 13. And so you want to add another page. So let's add a page, shall we? So let's go to Pages. Each of your pages are here. So the About Us, you can click on there. Just click the visual editor here. That's where you can change any of your text in there. If you want to add an image, you simply press this button, and it asks you to add an image. And then you can select a file from your computer and upload it, and it's done. And it'll be inserted there, and then you can edit the size of the image. If you can use it on Microsoft Word, it'll work for you. If you want to add a video, you simply click this button. Actually, let me show you something. Let's go to youtube.com. let's say somebody types in what is physiotherapy, and you have a video. In order to embed this into your web page here, you simply click on the HTML, pick where you want to add it, and then just hit the share button, embed, and then copy this code, paste it in here, go to the visual editor, hit update, and now if you go to your about page, you have a video there on your website. That's pretty cool. So we don't want the video on your website, so let's go delete that. Delete, and hit update again. So that's how you add a video. Refresh that and the video will be gone. Now let's say you wanted to add another page. So to add another page, you click the add new. Let's call it caps, and you can hit the publish button. Now there's no content in that, but now a new page is published. It says page published here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add it to the menu. We are going to add it just after FAQ here. So to play with the menu, you go down the left hand side to the menu button. This is your current menu structure. So you can see contact is third in. Now I always like the contact to be right at the end, so let's move that to there. Hit save menu. And now if we refresh the page, these two should swap. There you go, so contact is right at the end now. Now if we wanted to add a new page to the menu, this is the page that we created, caps, let's add it to the menu. Here it is. Now we can put it, if we wanted to contact Capilla, it's there. You can drag it in. If you drag it in, it becomes a sub-menu. So save that menu. Now it's been updated. So currently under contact there's nothing. Let's hit refresh, and now we can contact caps. It's as easy as that. Now let's delete that. Save the menu. Okay, and let's refresh that, and there won't be any contact caps anymore. Now let's go back to the aesthetics of the site. Say you wanted to change the colors around, play with that. You go to the all the way down the bottom, it's called folio work, and in here we have the general settings. So this is where you can upload your logo. The styling options, so you can choose what color you want the header background. You can choose the slider background. You can choose the breadcrumbs background. When I hover over a link, the color changes to this dark blue. The headings have this darker blue color, and when I hover over the headings, this is the color. So we can play with those. You can play with those if you like. And these are the footer background colors. Choose whatever color you want. Now the typography is the fonts. So let's say the primary, you can change it to whatever you like. Let's just change it to something funky. I like the droid sense. Let's save that in. See what it comes up as. So you see all of the fonts have changed. Now let's change it back to the normal one. Hit refresh, and the fonts are back to normal. So over there you can change the typography, your navigation, whatever you like. Now on the home page, developing your body to reach your peak performance. That is what we have here. So you can change that heading to whatever you like. You can have a subtitle if you like. All the rest you don't have to touch because you don't have anything. The slider options. So you can change the way the transitions of the slider occur. So currently it's set to random, so it'll be random. But if you want, you can choose slice up, slice down, or fade, fold, whatever you like. Nothing much there to change. The portfolio, we don't need to worry about that. Your blog, once you get the blog going, because the reason for doing a blog is a lot of people get attracted to your site using the search engines based on the articles that you publish about physiotherapy. So that gives you a good Google ranking. So I encourage you to create a blog. We've already built the system to have that there. The social networks. Now, I know you don't have any social connections on the site just yet, but when you decide to, you can have your Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google+, Flickr, Skype, so people can call you via Skype, whatever it is. It's all built in there, so you just have to enter in your links. The footer settings. Now, the footer is this area down the bottom. So currently it says Essendon Physiotherapy, 275 Buckley Street, Essendon. So that's your address down here. If you want to change it, you can. Then Google Analytics code over there. So pretty much that's about it. And if you have any questions, just give me a call and we can go through it. Thanks again, guys, for your business, and we look forward to supporting you in any way, shape or form that we can. Remember, we specialize in getting you more clients, so I'm always open to having that conversation with you. Have a lovely day. Bye.